Good morning everyone. Myself Vaishali Shekhar Pofle. Today I am going to share information about Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is a day of traditional worship of Nagas or snakes observed by Hindus throughout India, Nepal and other countries where Hindus adherent live the live. The worship of offered on the fifth day of bright half of lunar month of Shravana, according to the Hindu calendar. Some Indian states such as Rajasthan and Gujarat celebrate Naga Panchami on dark half means Krishna Paksha of the same month. As part of the festivities of Nagas or snakes is giving a reverential bath with milk and their blessing or sought for the welfare of the family. Live snakes, especially cobras, are also worshipped on this day, especially with offering of milk, and generally Nag Panchami is celebrated by worshipping the Nagas. Ladies get ready and worship Nagas may offering Puran Poli or Dind and also offer milk and nuts.
Hey kids, do you know who's he? He is Mr. Python, one of the largest snakes. Venom means poison. Snakes are poisonous. There are different types of snakes as you can see them in the picture. Some of
Hello, children. Do you all love snakes? Yes, I know we all are afraid of snakes. But do you all know about the fun facts about snakes? There are some fun facts about snakes. Let us start. Snakes don't have eyelid. Snakes can't bite food, so they have to swallow it whole. Snakes smell with their tongue. Sometimes we know that snakes can be dangerous for humans, but they can be our good friends too. Let us see how. Snakes are very helpful for farmers. There are many benefits of snakes around the farms. Their diets of rats, mice, and insects like aphids, beetles, and slugs make them better than any pesticide anyone could put in their field. Mostly reducing the need to put out less insecticides and other chemicals is a big point for snakes for their contributions to the ecosystem and the farm businesses, although indirect. Their more direct effects are impressive as well. They are predators who help keep invasive species and overpopulation of rodents and poisonous snake species in check. Without snakes, the number of these species could become out of control. Now, let us see how can farmers protect themselves from snakes without killing them. Ensure any grasslands are maintained and kept short. Ensure there is no clutter such as rubble, haystacks or old materials around the outskirts of home. Ensure to keep home and farm rodent free. While working, wear protective clothing such as gloves, long pants and covered shoes. In short, snakes are looking for food and shelter. If you remove any potential sources of either, then you are able to keep snakes away from your farms. Children, we should always remember that snakes are essential for keeping a balanced ecosystem. This is why all too common impulse to kill snakes is so damaging. If you come across a snake in the wild, tell it thank you and walk away without trying to touch, pick up, trap or kill it. Now, Only will you be asking for a bite if you provoke a snake. You will be directly harming the environment.
Kids, are you afraid of snakes? Of 3000 species of snakes, only around 450 are poisonous and potentially dangerous too. They kill around 1 lakh people every year, mostly in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. But their venom also has been used in medical discoveries and can save human lives. Let us see some of the poisonous species in our Asian continent. Number 1 is king cobra. Number 2 is Indian crate, which is commonly found in India and thus it is named after the country. Number 3 is wrestle viper, which is commonly found in state of Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Number 4 is saw-scaled viper, which is one of the most poisonous and dangerous species. Kids, as we are scared of them, they are scared of us too, and thus to protect themselves, they tend to bite. So, let us find out the treatment given after a snake bite. Stop all the movements and call the ambulance first. Tie a pressure bandage above the wounded area very tightly and rush to the hospital as soon as possible. So, let us see how the snakes are being used for medical purpose. The venom, which is extracted from the fins of the snake, is being collected. Then this venom is being tested and purified by preserving antibodies present in it. These antibodies helps to boost the immune system of the victim and helps to save the life of the victim. So this is nothing but the venom itself used for the treatment of the snake bite. This is first tested on animals and then is being given to the human beings. Kids, our scientists also has found out a new way to keep us protected from the snakes, that is by solar snake saver device, which emits radiations after few seconds and keep us protected.
Eradication of superstition regarding snakes. Snakes guard wealth. This is a common misbelief. Old crumbling houses, vadas, are ideal for snakes as they find plenty of hiding places together with rats and mice. In the olden days, people often buried their wealth, and it could be possibility that a snake and the hidden wealth were unearthed together, giving this impression. All snakes have hair on them. Hair does not grow on snakes. Periodically, snakes cast or molt, and if some molt remains, it appears like hair. Sometimes, some snake charmers even stick hair on the snake's head. All snakes are deaf. They do not have hearing mechanism. Its entire body is to the ground. It has ear to the ground. The snake charmers play bean, which is a long instrument that intimidates snakes. They lack true ears and cannot hear high frequency sound. They can sense vibrations. The snake charmers attack the snake's attention by rapidly tapping their feet on the ground. Snakes are called cold-blooded reptiles, not mammals, as they are offered milk. Dehydrated snakes just go for it. Snakes can avenge their partner's death. This is interesting and funny. At the same time, it is completely false. For a pregnant woman to see even a dead snake is a very alarming sign. Ancestors believe that it warned of impending problems with childbirth. It is possible that the baby will be born sick or ugly. If you find the shed skin of snake, this means
luck and fortune. There is a superstition that if the snake is chasing after you, you need to throw your belt and it will stop. It is believed that snakes have priceless nag money studded in their forehead, through which they can hypnotize anyone. In mythology, it is said true, but scientifically it is proven wrong. They are killed for their skin, for making beautiful hats, wallets, belts, etc. They are the friends of farmers as they kill rats and mice that damage food crops.